Hi guys! Our topic for today is all about the assessment of ICT resources in mathematics teaching and learning. So before we proceed to our lesson proper, let's first have our objectives. So the first one is identify ICT tools, enumerate and describe ICT resources that can be effectively utilized in mathematics teaching and learning. Second one is analyze benefits, examine the benefits of integrating ICT tools in mathematics education, including improved engagement, visualization of concepts, and accessibility. The third one is evaluate suitability. Assess the appropriateness of different ICT tools for specific mathematics topics and learning objectives. The fourth one is design integration strategies. Develop strategies to enhance mathematical understanding and problem-solving skills. And the last one is reflect on effectiveness. Critically reflect on the challenges and best practices when using ICT resources in mathematics teaching and learning. And now let's proceed to our discussion. Introduction to ICT in mathematics education. Definition. ICT or Information and Communication Technology. It refers to tools and resources used to communicate, create, store, and manage information. So relevance to mathematics. It enhances student engagement, facilitates interactive and personalized learning, allows dynamic visualization of mathematical concepts. So the second one is we have the types of ICT tools for mathematics or general tools. So we have here the learning management systems, we have Google Classroom or Moodle, assignments, feedback, and assessment tracking. Presentation, tools, examples or PowerPoint, Canva, and it is used for illustrating concepts visually. Mathematics-specific tools, we have the GeoGebra, or it is used for interactive geometry, algebra, and calculus visualizations. We have Desmos, it is also used for online graphing, calculator. We have here Wolfram Alpha, it is for problem solving and computational tools. Kahoot and Quizzes, it is used for interactive quizzes for formative assessments. We also have here Microsoft Excel, data analysis and visualization, and emerging technologies. Now let's discuss the assessment through ICT resources or types of assessments. The first one is formative assessment. It is the continuous evaluation to monitor progress. The tools we can use for a formative assessment are Kahoot, Quizzes, and Google Forms. The second one is we have summative assessment, or it is a final evaluation for student learning. The tools we have for this are LMS, quizzes, and online exams. Next, we have diagnostic assessment. It is for identifying students' prior knowledge or gaps. Our tools for this are adaptive learning platforms. Examples are Khan Academy. The next one is we have self-assessment. It is encouraging students to evaluate their understanding, and the tools we can use for this is interactive problem-solving apps like Photomath and Brilliant. So examples are students using Desmos to create and interpret graphs, and we also have the online quizzes that provide instant feedback. Number 4, the advantages of ICT-based assessments. Engagement, interactive quizzes and simulations, making learning enjoyable. For accessibility, available anytime, anywhere for diverse learners. Real-time feedback, it allows students to learn from their mistakes immediately. For the data-driven insights is teachers can analyze student performance trends. Number 5, challenges in using ICT assessment. For the technical issues, it is the dependence of internet and device availability. The learning curve is teachers and students may require training to use ICT tools effectively. For the equity concerns, not all students have equal access to ICT resources. For the quality of assessments, is designing assessments that truly measure understanding, not just memorization. Number 6, best practices for ICT integration for mathematics assessments. Align ICT tools with learning objectives. Use multiple tools to address different types of assessments. Provide training for both teachers and students. ensure equity by offering alternative solutions for students with limited access, and pilot ICT tools before large-scale implementation. Reflection and future direction is the last one. How can teachers balance traditional and ICT-based assessments? What role can emerging technologies like AI and AR play in future assessments, and how can schools address the challenges of access and technical supports? So these questions can be asked to the teachers in order for them to reflect the ICT tools is really effective to the students nowadays. So that's all. Thank you.